So we got the copy from Hublot with the skull they wanted to develop, and we had to adapt this into this very small piece of space we had. And for us this was really the big challenge, because we are not used to work in such small dimensions. And this was really the difficulty also, that you could recognize that it was an embroidery and not anything else, no print or no lace, but really an embroidery. And that's why we had to try to include more technical stitches as possible. But on this small scale, this was really difficult. We are always interested in working with in different fields and try to find out new ways of working. So this was very interesting for us to see another way of working and another approach on how you can use the embroidery. And of course for us it's always interesting also to discover a new field of industry. I think there is one important commonality between fashion and watchmaking, which is to be deeply concerned about very high quality and creation.
The technical steps to make this piece for the Hublot watch, it's first we have to treat the fibers. Carbon fibers are made of carbonized acrylic filaments. That means they are treated with a temperature from 2000 degrees in nitrogen atmosphere. We use carbon fibers everywhere where we use lightweight and high material properties, like in the aerospace, medical equipment, motor, sports, and a lot of other uses. In this project we have two textile materials. Both are made of dry fibers, but they are completely different in the handling and so processing, and it's a big challenge for us to use these materials in one piece.
St. Gallen is the center of the embroidery industry. Beginning of the 20th century, the St. Gallen embroidery industry has been the biggest export industry of Switzerland, and St. Gallen one of the richest cities. Bischof Textile is a family-owned company founded in 1927. Apart Switzerland, where we produce our high-end products, we also have factories in Thailand, Sri Lanka and Turkey. We are leader in the fashion industry for inner and outerwear.
This project comes from a discussion between our supplier carbon fiber in Switzerland and Hublot last year during a meeting. And I was immediately enthusiastic, and I imagined which product we could develop together. For me, this watch is feminine and provocative. This watch is unique and different, and finally this watch is a Hublot watch.